Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 powerful Figma plugins that can seriously improve your workflow and help you design faster and smarter. If you're a UI/UX designer, this video is going to save you a lot of time. If you're still designing in Figma without using the right plugins, you're probably wasting hours of your time every single week. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 powerful Figma plugins that top UI and UX designers use to work faster, create cleaner designs, and deliver more professional results. These tools can completely change the way you design. So if you want to level up your workflow and save serious time, make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's get started. The first plugin I want to talk about is called Phosphor Icons. Phosphor Icons is one of the most complete and professional icon libraries available for Figma. It provides thousands of high-quality vector icons in multiple styles such as thin, light, regular, bold, fill, and duotone. This variety allows designers to maintain strong visual consistency across an entire product. One of the biggest advantages of Phosphor is that all icons are fully editable vectors, so you can easily customize stroke weight, colors, and details to match your design system. It's especially powerful for modern UI, mobile apps, and dashboard interfaces. Now that you know what this plugin can do, let's jump into Figma and actually use it together. The second plugin I want to talk about is called Beautiful Shadows. Beautiful Shadows helps you create realistic, multi-layered shadows that look far more natural than standard manual shadows. The plugin simulates real depth and elevation, making UI components feel more polished and premium. It's perfect for cards, modals, dropdowns, and any interface element that needs proper visual hierarchy. Using consistent, high-quality shadows instantly improves the overall perception of your design and makes it feel more professional and production-ready. Now that you know what this plugin can do, let's jump into Figma and actually use it together. I'm going to show you how to use this tool step by step so you can see exactly how it works in a real design workflow. The second plugin I want to talk about is called Content Reel. Content Reel is an essential plugin for wireframing and prototyping. It allows you to quickly populate your designs with realistic placeholder content such as names, emails, phone numbers, addresses, and images. This makes your layouts feel much more like real products instead of empty mockups. It's especially useful for client presentations and usability testing, where realistic content helps stakeholders better understand the final user experience. Now that you know what this plugin can do, let's jump into Figma and actually use it together. I'm going to show you how to use this tool step by step so you can see exactly how it works in a real design workflow. called color shades. Color shades automates the process of generating full color scales from a single base color. With one click, you can create lighter and darker shades that are perfect for building a consistent design system. This is extremely useful for defining primary, secondary, hover, focus, and active states. By using color shades, you ensure color consistency, improve accessibility, and maintain a more structured and scalable color system across your entire project. Now that you know what this plugin can do, let's jump into Figma and actually use it together. I'm going to show you how to use this tool step by step, so you can see exactly how it works in a real design workflow. The next plugin I want to talk about is called Magic Cut, Remove Background. Magic Cut uses AI-powered background removal to instantly separate subjects from their backgrounds. It's especially useful for portrait photos, product images, and marketing visuals. With just one click, you can get clean cutouts directly inside Figma without switching to Photoshop. This significantly speeds up your workflow and makes it easier to create professional banners, landing pages, and promotional designs. Now that you know what this plugin can do, let's jump into Figma and actually use it together. I'm going to show you how to use this tool step by step, so you can see exactly how it works in a real design workflow. Autoflow is a powerful tool for UX designers who need to create clean and structured user flows. It automatically connects frames with smart arrows and keeps those connections updated even when you move your frames around. This makes it incredibly easy to build and maintain complex user journeys. Autoflow is perfect for UX documentation, team collaboration, and client presentations where clarity and structure are critical. Now that you know what this plugin can do, let's jump into Figma and actually use it together. The next plugin I want to talk about is called Iconify. Iconify is one of the largest icon search engines available directly inside Figma. It gives you access to dozens of popular icon libraries, including material icons, hero icons, remix icons, and many more. Instead of installing multiple plugins, Iconify centralizes everything in one place. This saves time, increases productivity, and ensures you can always find the exact icon you need for any interface or design style. Now that you know what this plugin can do, let's jump into Figma and actually use it together. Talk about is called Mockup Studio Free Device Plugin. Mockup Studio allows you to place your designs into realistic device mockups, such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops. This instantly elevates your presentations and makes your work look more polished and professional. It's ideal for client presentations, portfolio case studies, and social media marketing visuals. Using device mockups helps stakeholders better visualize how the final product will look in real-world scenarios. Now that you know what this plugin can do, let's jump into Figma and actually use it together. The next plugin I want to talk about is called SkewDat. SkewDat makes it easy to apply skew and perspective effects directly in Figma. With this plugin, you can create dynamic layouts, simple 3D effects, and perspective mockups without leaving your design tool. It's especially useful for marketing visuals, landing page hero sections, and creative compositions where you want to add depth and motion to your designs. Now that you know what this plugin can do, let's jump into Figma and actually use it together. The next plugin I want to talk about is called Arc Bend Your Type. Arc allows you to bend and curve text along a circular path. This is perfect for creating custom typography, logotypes, posters, and promotional banners. The plugin gives you full control over the curvature and radius, making it easy to add personality and visual interest to your text. Arc is a great tool for designers who want to create more expressive and eye-catching typography directly inside Figma. Now that you know what this plugin can do, let's jump into Figma and actually use it together. That's it for today's video. If you found these Figma plugins helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more UI and UX design tips. Also, let me know in the comments which plugin was your favorite and what tools you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.